Good morning, students. This is the second part of the brainstorming activities on To Serve with Love. Today we will deal with the activities on page number 187, which are based on the plot and the setting of the novel. Let's continue with the first activity. Arrange the incidents in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract. Here, I will not read the sentence directly. I am telling you the answer. The first sentence, it will be here G. First one. Okay. Now, Students' Council was held every year on November 15th. Then, second, that is second one, it is F. Denham called out the names of the representatives. Then here E. Fernman was as usual a trump card. Then next one D. The slips were folded and placed in a hat. Then C. Denham asserted that PT periods were a waste of time. Then, next comes A. Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. And then the last one, B. The head of the school closed the proceedings. Okay, this is the correct sequence. Then, second activity. The activity, it is describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of Students' Council. Here, the purpose, during the half-yearly report program of Students' Council, each class would present their report through its representatives, what they have learned throughout the year, and it is twice in a year. ओके जैसे हमारे इधर एक तरह से फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर होता है, वैसे ही जैसे हमारे इधर पालक सभा होती है वैसे ही, तो यहाँ पे बच्चों की ही एक सभा जिसमें बच्चे खुद रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होंगे, साथ ही में वो एक एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए एक एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव क्लास में से चुना जाएगा और वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो कुछ भी उसने अब तक पढ़ा हुआ है उसके बारे में वो बताएगा। उसके बाद में टीचर जो है वो टीचर भी उनकी एक बॉडी वहाँ पे चूज़ की हुई रहती है और वो टीचर की बॉडी जो रहती है दैट इज़ आल्सो चोजन बाय द स्टूडेंट्स एंड these टीचर्स they will answer, they will come on to the stage and these teachers would answer or go through the various reports and they would try to answer the problems of the students. Then यहाँ पे third, write in your own words the entire half yearly report program of Students' Council. Okay, now here the half yearly report of the Students' Council, the students report, that is actually about what the students have learnt so far. They would spoke about the things that they have learned. Now what happens during the Students' Council program? What happens there? That the representative of narrator's class, they really spoke in a very confident way. They arranged the program. Again, they were very cooperative, as well as here two students, these were Miss Joseph and Denham. They were presiding over the meeting just along the side of the headmaster, whose name is Mr. Florian. Again, after the presentation of headmaster, each class representatives, they presented their report. First of all, there were the lower classes to present, and then afterwards there were the higher classes. Okay, then a panel of teacher that was also chosen to answer any question put by the students. Then here what happens that The last class to represent there, it was of narrator. So Miss Joseph, she began the proceeding by talking about the theme of the studies, or again the interdependency of mankind. Then Potter was there. Potter spoke about math, how greater understanding in the world is actually fostered by the use of common ways and measures. Then there was Miss Peg, and Jackson spoke on geography. Miss Dare, Perman discussed about the subject physiology, and Perman actually steal the show by presenting a model of human skeleton, and again actually he wanted to tell that basically all human beings are the same. Then Dodd reported about the history. Miss Joseph, she talked about domestic science. Denham created a kind of complex, or again a kind of uproar, a kind of discussion, or again argument that he created by talking about PT, that it is useless, or again it is pointless. Okay. Then the teachers, they were to answer. They were Mr. Weston, Mrs. Dale Evans, and Miss Philip. Actually Mr. Weston, he actually responded in a ridiculous way, and he actually it is a useless argument that he talked about. Okay, he thought so, but Miss Philip, she actually gave a good and satisfying answer, and Denham has to accept his defeat. Okay, so narrator was very cool, or again he was very satisfied to see the progress of the class of his students. Okay, then the next question we will go through, that is fourth, describe the question answer session that took place at the end of the extract. So question answer session, that is actually there were the teachers who were chosen by the students council. They were here Mr. Weston, Mrs. Dale Evans, and Miss Philip. They were chosen to answer the questions. Okay. Now here, as we have seen in the earlier answer, Mr. Weston, he could not satisfy the student, and again he actually thought that it is useless argument. Okay, but when Miss Philip, she stood up, actually she was not considered that type of lady to answer. Okay, but when she was there at a time, with her knowledge, she could satisfy, and actually she skillfully answered Denham. And here Denham was a trained boxer. Okay, and he wanted that such exercises were only the advantageous if practiced daily and for more sustained periods. Okay, PT twice weekly for 20 minutes was a waste of time, that he wanted to say. But Miss Philip, she answered in a impressive way, and again she actually told him that PT is also a part of necessity, and again it is a kind of the plan of the school. Okay, and there were arguments between Denham and again Miss Philip. Okay, Miss Philip, she told him that the school considered it in terms of the greatest good for the greatest number. Okay, and again she hinted that the physical development is better, that is of Denham, but actually he needs to attend it. Okay, and there were others for whom the program was ideally suited. Okay, whatever the planning that school did, it was only for the benefit of the student. Okay, and it was a very difficult question for everyone to answer, but Miss Philip, she replied in a satisfying way, and she thought that as much as exercise of the mind is needed, the same way it is needed for the body. Okay, the whole timetable in the school was meant to help them in the world after they leave the school. Okay, and in this way, in this question answer session, Denham was defeated and he accepted his defeat gracefully. Okay, then the next question, that is describe the discussion that took place between Miss Joseph and Denham. Now here actually there is no discussion between Miss Joseph and Denham. Okay, there was the discussion of Miss actually question answer session that was in Miss Philip and Denham. Okay, then it is about the theme setting. Now do you know about setting? अच्छा, सबसे पहले आपको प्लॉट के बारे में पता है? What is a plot? Plot, it is actually it is essentially the story or the course of event that make up the theme. यानी एक तरह से डेवलपमेंट और द स्टोरी. ठीक है, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टोरी. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि एक्चुअली देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और एक्सटर्नल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, यहाँ पे ये बताया हुआ होता है. तो यहाँ पे इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी है जो ब्रेथवेट के दिमाग में चल रहा है, इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, और एक्सटर्नल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. तो यहाँ पे जो कैरेक्टर्स है, मेजर कैरेक्टर्स और माइनर कैरेक्टर्स, इनमें भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट दिखा हुआ है. ठीक है ना. अभी बात करते हैं सेटिंग की. तो जब हम सेटिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं तो सेटिंग के बारे में यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि सेटिंग मीन्स एक्चुअली द बैकग्राउंड इन विच द स्टोरी टुक प्लेस. तो यहाँ पे अगर सेटिंग की बात करें तो नॉवेल में तो बहुत सारे सेटिंग है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर इस एक्सट्रैक्ट की बात करें तो यहाँ पे हमें जो स्टूडेंट काउंसिल जो है कि या फिर उसका जो सालाना उनका जो एक हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट जो ऑर्गेनाइज की हुई है, तो ये पर्टिकुलरली टेक प्लेस एट द ऑडिटोरियम हॉल, है ना. सो दिस इज द सेटिंग. तो यहाँ पे विच इवेंट टुक प्लेस, अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन हम डील करेंगे बच्चों. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे पहले वाली लेंगे. विच इवेंट टुक प्लेस, which event took place in the extract, choose the correct one, give reasons to support your answer. तो यहाँ पे जो इवेंट टुक प्लेस होती है वो है यहाँ पे सी, नंबर सी. ये बता दूं मैं आपको, ये है यहाँ पे सी. ठीक है, हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल ऑन नवंबर 15. ठीक है, चलो इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी. अभी यहाँ पे सॉरी एक मैंने रह गया यहाँ पे, गिव रीजंस टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. तो इसका आंसर ये है कि द हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल was on November 15 and it was one of the important days in the calendar of Green Slade School. ऐसा सेंटेंस यहाँ पे आया हुआ है टेक्स्ट में. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमें वो क्लियर हो जाता है कि इट इज द आंसर सी. देन सेकंड है यहाँ पे, द इवेंट इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट वाज हेल्ड एट, थोड़ा सा हाँ, तो द इवेंट इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट वाज हेल्ड एट डैश डैश, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव, गिव रीजंस टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. तो यहाँ पे कहाँ पे है ये, इट इज डी, ऑडिटोरियम ऑफ द स्कूल. ठीक है ना. तो इसके लिए फिर से सपोर्ट दो बोलता है, तो वो है द, एक सेंटेंस है वहां पे, द बेल वॉज रंग एट 10 AM एंड एवरीवन ट्रूप्ड इनटू द ऑडिटोरियम टू सिट टुगेदर इन क्लास. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, द इंसिडेंट्स इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑकर्ड एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. एक्सप्लेन द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दैट प्लेस इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। तो बच्चों क्या मीनिंग इसका समझ में है आपको कि यहाँ पे जो एक्सट्रैक्ट में एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में ये इंसिडेंट हुई है तो उस जगह का इंपॉर्टेंस दीजिए बोल रहे। तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली इंसिडेंट कहाँ पे हुई है, ये हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट है स्टूडेंट्स की, और यहाँ पे इट वाज एक्चुअली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एट द ऑडिटोरियम ऑफ द स्कूल। ठीक है, नाउ द रिपोर्ट टेक्स प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल, द टीचर्स एंड द स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, or it is a kind of a formal program of the school, and it is a serious one also. And so the setting of this extract, it took place in the auditorium with a stage and again the formal atmosphere, and so it is absolutely correct place, and that is the significance. फिर यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है सेटिंग में का, एक्सप्लेन हाउ द सेटिंग ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्ट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू द थीम ऑफ द नॉवेल। तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना इसको, सी केयरफुली, लिसन केयरफुली। यहाँ पे क्या होता है बच्चों की, वन ऑफ द थीम्स ऑफ द नॉवेल दैट इज द रिलेशनशिप in student and teacher. Now when the narrator, he started his career as a teacher in the school, ग्रीन स्लेड स्कूल, पता है ना आपको। तो यहाँ पे जब उन्होंने अपना करियर चालू किया यहाँ पे, एट दैट टाइम द स्टूडेंट्स दे वेर वेरी ब्लंट विथ हिम, दे वेर impolite, or again they used to that they used to be bully, bully with his teacher, with their teacher. Okay, and so Braithwaite he found that students, they were disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous also. Now he finds that the students belong to a background which is not suitable for the learning. Okay, and there they cannot develop properly, or they cannot progress. And he thought that actually these are the white skinned student, and so he developed a kind of hatred or jealousy about the students also. लेकिन बाद में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जैसे उसको लगता है कि he thought that it is not the proper way, and फिर वो क्या करता है कि he started using his creative ideas, some innovative techniques, and he started to understand students psychology. और फिर वो क्या करता है कि he did not lose his cool, he did not lose his patience, और फिर कुछ वहाँ पे चीज़ें करता है जैसे कि वहाँ पे वो the narrator, he was very anxious to see how far his teaching has been effective. तो फिर वो स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ नए वहाँ पे चीज़ें जैसे कि रिस्पेक्ट वगैरह ये देना जो है ये करता है वो। और फिर उसी दरम्यान यहाँ पे ऐसी कई चीज़ें होते हैं, वो एक्सकर्शंस वहाँ पे उनके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, नियर बाय प्लेसेस को वो विजिट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट बहुत सारी बातें सीखते हैं। तो यहाँ पे अगेन यहाँ पे ही वॉज वेरी मच ईगर टू नो हाउ हिज स्टूडेंट्स वुड प्रेजेंट देयर रिपोर्ट एट द स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल। ठीक है, तो द रिपोर्ट दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल, the teachers were also there, students of all class were also there, और ये जो है it is very serious and formal program, and so the setting of the auditorium, a stage, the formal atmosphere, all those things, again there was a discussion, question answer session, all those things they contribute to the theme of the novel. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे हम रुकेंगे। यहाँ पे पेज नंबर 187 की पूरी एक्टिविटीज़ हुई है। कल इसके बाद वाले वीडियो में हम लोग पेज नंबर 188 के ऊपर की थीम और लैंग्वेज के बारे में की एक्टिविटीज़ हम कंप्लीट करेंगे। सो विल स्टॉप हियर। आई होप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक। थैंक यू वेरी मच।